Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of Homeo-Remedy Camphora. Full name Camphora. Common name Camphor. Short name Camphora. Source: chemical compound, chemical world. Pathogenesis: it causes delirium, stupor with epileptiform convulsion and collapsed condition due to circulatory failure. Relation with heat and cold: very chilly patient. Constitution: physical makeup, no particular type, specially suited to persons exceedingly sensitive to cold air, physically and mentally very weak. Temperament: irritable, Mazim Sora. Death is not known. One important information about this remedy: it is a universal antidote to all remedies from vegetable kingdom. In homeopathy, there are hundreds of remedies from vegetable kingdom. Almost all of them are antidoted by camphora. As such, should be kept, that is, it should be kept in a separate place from common medicine chest, because in common medicine chest there may be hundreds of vegetable medicines from hundreds of medicine from vegetable kingdom. So you must keep this particular camphora separate in a separate place. Otherwise, maybe that this camphor will antidote all of your vegetable remedies. Worse: cold, draft, when half asleep, mental exertion, shock, suppression, inattention, night motion. Better: from free discharges, sweat, thinking of it, drinking cold water. General symptoms of camphora: coldness, cramps and convulsion with mental anguish are the key features of camphor indication. Very important line: coldness, cramps and convulsion with mental anguish are key features of camphor indication. Convulsion with blue lips, froth at mouth, lockjaw. Sudden collapse from overpowering influence acting on nervous centers. Patients icy cold yet averse to cover and want those off, and then on alternately with internal burning heat and anxiousness. Sudden weakness and fainting spell. Dry collapse with little purging and vomiting in cholera. Tyrannic spasms with showing of teeth with retraction of lips, followed by stupor with coldness and trismus of newborn. Trismus means actually a lockjaw. Trismus refers to muscles spasms. This star, I am going to this star. Trismus refers to muscle spasm of temporomandibular joint, that is this joint, TMJ, temporomandibular joint. If this joint is fixed, get fixed, then there will be lockjaw. Trismus, lockjaw, almost same. Chilly at the start of cold, discharges scanty retain, very sensitive to cold air, taking cold, suppressed eruptions, awkwardness, soft parts drawn in, bad effects of shock, injury, operation, sunstroke, vexation. Correct spoiled cases and antidote most of the medicines of vegetable kingdom. This line is very important. Spoiled cases, correct spoiled cases, that is, it may be sometime it may happen in your case, in your chamber also, that you are giving remedies to a particular patient, and after a few months, the case, you see that case has been spoiled by yourself. You can assess that now that you have done something wrong and the whole case is spoiled. In these spoiled cases, camphora is one of the medicine that straight out the case and it comes old stage back. So correct spoiled cases and antidote most of the medicines of vegetable kingdom. If you want to antidote some medicine you have given already and eat that from vegetable world, you can give this camphora 200 one dose, and that will completely antidote the medicine. Digestive tract, cerebrospinal nerve, urinary organs, and nose prominently affected. These camphora affected this digestive tract, cerebrospinal nerves, urinary organ, and nose. Feeling of hot waves during pain with restlessness. Mental symptoms of camphora. Insensibility. Vanishes all senses and anxiety. Awkwardness, loss of memory. Delirium. Religious mania. Puerperal mania. Puerperal mania means actually mania after childbirth. Want to jump out of bed or window? Do not like anyone near. Nothing satisfies them. Excited. Talks constantly. Scold in decent language. Scold in indecent language. Feeling that she is going to die, relieved when find himself or herself alive. Attack of anguish at night, state of hysterical frenzy. They scratch, spit, bite, tear clothes, scream and call for help, close eyes and answer no question. Head symptoms camphora, feels knotted up, occiput throbbing, synchronous with pulse, feel better standing, fleeting stitches in temples and orbits. Head is drawn to one side in spasm. This note the neck of the lady. This head is drawn to one side in spasms. Pain runs from head to tip of fingers. Ear symptoms camphora, earlobes hot and red. Eye symptoms of camphora. Objects appear too bright or move to one side with a jerk. Staring fixed, turned outward or upward, that is look. Staring means look. Pupils dilated, eyes deeply sunken, eyes protrude with mania. No symptoms of camphora. Cold and pinched, coryza of old age, inhaled air seems cold, persistent epistaxis with goose-plate state of the skin. Face symptoms of camphora. Face haggard, pale, bluish, old, pinched, pale and dry by turn. Cold sweat, upper lip retracted, lockjaw. See this picture. This is the picture of lockjaw. This is lockjaw and this is epistaxis. That is bleeding from the nose. Lockjaw. Face distorted. No, not this. The face is distorted only. Some grimaces is there. Froth from at the mouth. Mouth symptoms camphora. Tongue bluish, cold, trembling, speech, broken, feeble, hoarse. Cold breath, boiling hot tea seems cold. Toothache better from beer. Stomach symptoms camphora. Burning thirst, burning in stomach, burning in abdomen. Asiatic cholera, little vomiting or purging with dry collapse. Means collapse from dry. There is no too much vomiting, too much purging, yet there is collapse. So it is dry collapse. Rice watery stool, bilious, sour vomiting in morning. Urinary symptoms of camphora. Strangury. Strangury means actually painful urination. Painful urination. Hematuria, that is blood in urine. Retention, that is urine is stopped. It is not coming. Urine is formation of urine is already stopped. That is retention of urine. That is very serious symptoms because there will be chance of uremia. The uric acid or other urea will be absorbed in the blood and there will be uremia and which may cause death. A serious disease. Male symptoms camphora. Sexual excitement, satyriasis. It is actually excessive sex desire. Priapism, that is long-standing penis, hard, long-standing penis. During dreams, impotence. Female symptoms of camphora. Sexual desire increased. In both this, in male case and female case, in both the cases, there is sexual excitement. Or at climaxes, hot flashes. Climaxes mean the period of when the menstrual cycle is completely ceased naturally at the age of say 43 or 42 years of old. That time is called climaxes. Hot flashes with coldness, abdomen limb. Constantly feel breast uncovered. Constantly keep breast uncovered. That is, they feel better when their breast is uncovered. Mania. Respiratory symptoms camphora. Asphyxia neonatorum. This is, what is asphyxia neonatorum? That is a baby which has just born. He is not, but he cannot do his breathing normally. He cannot perform his breathing normally and his breathing is almost stopped. That is asphyxia neonatorum. Neonatal means newborn baby. Asphyxia means stoppage of normal breathing. Hoarse, squeaking voice. That is of course not related to newborn babe. Other persons, because there are voice. Hoarse, squeaking voice. Cold breath, suspended respiration, violent attack of dry cough. Heart symptom camphora, pulse weak, not perceptible, frequent, small. Palpitation after eating. Extremity symptoms of camphora. Thumbs drawn backwards, cramps in cuffs, cracking in joints, cold, numb, tingling sensation actually in extremities, feet cold, pain as if sprained. Skin symptoms camphora, dry, livid, blue, cold. That is, these are the adjectives for skin. Dry skin, livid skin, blue skin, cold skin. Cannot bear to be covered, erysipelas. I have given a picture on the right hand side, erysipelas face. Skin disease. All sequelae of measles, that is, all troubles that are generally seen after measles. After measles, there are so many problems arise. All the problems will be attended by camphora. That is all sequelae of measles. Sleep symptoms camphora, insomnia with cold limbs, very restless, comatose sleep. Comatose means almost senseless, so deep sleep. Fever symptoms camphora, shaking, chill with cold skin, want cover with hot stage only. It's peculiar symptom. In a hot stage they want cover. That's why I've given underline. This is some rare symptom. Generally in a hot stage everyone wants opening of the covering, but here he want cover. The patient. Sudden inflammatory fever with rapid alternation of heat and cold followed by rapid prostration. This is one of the fever characteristic of camphora. Heat or sweat better from covers. Sweat when covered, body becomes cold when uncovered. Complementary, cantharis. Related medicine, carbophage, cuprum, opium, sickle core. Now with this the medicine ends. I mean the remedy description of remedy finished. You got any problem? Please write down in the comment section. I would certainly attend.